This is your bro Gian, and this is a reflection today. This fifth Sunday of Lent is called the Passiontide Sunday. What is Passiontide Sunday? So, in tradition of the church, the image of the saints, even the crucifix, is being covered with a violet cloth or fabric to represent the height of Jesus. Not because he is afraid of dying, because he is afraid of being crucified, but he is just preparing himself because this week or these days is not his days. And second one, indeed fasting is good. Fasting is for our body, for our stomach, but not only for our stomach, it is also for our eyes. It is covered because they teach us to fast for our eyes. Fasting to eyes represent of not seeing the joyous life, but to mourn for our sin, to mourn for the crucifixion and death of Jesus. After our mourning, we will receive the joy and happiness that bring by Jesus Christ through his crucifixion and through his resurrection. Amen.
In omnibus amare, in omnibus servire, in omnibus amare et servire, Domino in